world. I am grounded in the knowing that the seed of every accomplishment is planted first in the fertile soil of the mind, nurtured by belief, watered by commitment, and strengthened by persistence. I am success in thought, and therefore I am success in form. As I close my eyes, I visualize the blueprint of my highest destiny appearing before me like illuminated architecture. I see every dream I've ever held taking shape, etched with clarity, precision, and divine alignment. I imagine myself standing in a vast hall of creation, surrounded by walls made of radiant light, each one reflecting the infinite potential within me. I walk slowly through this hall, watching doorways of opportunity open as I approach them. These doors respond to my thoughts, my confidence, and the self-belief I radiate. In this visualization, I breathe deeply and allow my mind to paint the images of a life lived in full success. I see myself making decisions with courage. I see myself carrying an energy of certainty. I watch myself handle challenges with steady focus and inner strength. I witness my future self accomplishing great things.